Alright guys, I'm redoing the flooring in the boat. As you see, if you're watching my channel before about the small black Chevy V8, I'm gonna drop it in this boat. And I used to have a 3-liter in it, and I'm gonna make engine mounts for the V8 setup in this. So the flooring was rotted, so we're gonna change the flooring. I did kind of reinforce the transom like about 2 years ago, and like I kind of grind it down and run a couple layer of fiberglass on it, so it's pretty firm, but you can see in the corner right there it's kind of rotted. So what I'm gonna do, I already cut out this side of the floor. It was a pain in the butt when you don't have the right tool, but now I am gonna use my isolated saw. Got this Ryobi tool here, got a Home Depot, not too expensive. Already they've got some Ryobi tools already, so I just buy Ryobi stuff. I already have Ryobi battery. I'm not promoting Ryobi or anything like that, but I'm just showing you the tool that I'm using. So as I see on Michael Romer YouTube channel, you use one of these saw to take off like the edges in the corner of the boat, and it was according to you, said it's done pretty good, because I already tried to use a different kind of saw, like a jigsaw type, and it cut through the bottom of the boat. So that now gotta patch out the bottom of the boat, so I don't want any more of that. But this tool works pretty good. So it comes with like one set of blade, like one of the round one and one of the regular isolated blade. So I just go to the store, pick up another kit with extra blades, so this kit come with sanding pads, and it come with a bunch of different blades. So let's see. What blade would be the best? This for wood. Come with this Allen key wrench. Make sure it's tight. Now, I need to get off this entire side of the flooring because it's all rotted. So I did patch this side when I just bought the boat. I bought this boat in 2020, and I realized that the floor was rotted, and I did patch out here, cut out the rotted piece that was like totally sink through, and then patch this side and the other side also. As you can see, the string was all crumbled. All right, let's go. The blade come loose. And make sure that this is real tight. Just gotta cut it like that. Broke a blade. Yeah. Not very great. Let's try this blade. Alright, so all the flooring is out right now. So now it's about time to get inside your clean out, get that little piece of string and remove, and start making new stringers and fiberglass it in. And I think I'm gonna move this, push the fuel tank a little bit forward so I can get more space with the big motor. Yeah, so this is it. It's time to clean it up and grind it down, get it all clean, and ready for new stringer, new flooring, straight fiberglass. Gonna get rid of all these carpets are nasty, carpets soak water and rotted your floor out completely. This is all wet nasty foam. Yeah. Hello.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's crazy how wet that is.
Yeah, it is super wet. So this foam is all.
Do you know like where or what was the problem?
No, because the floor is not seal. It's just spare marine grade plywood, and they're all soaked with water and rotted out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
This.